In front of me is Google Pixel 3a, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen. Begin by launching two of your apps in the background and then accessing background apps. Following that, decide which app you wish to use on the top half of your screen and click on the icon of it. Select Split Top and tap on the second app to continue. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and hit Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!